Hello students, this session is in continuation with the revision of the chapter Geometry, and in today's session we shall solve the questions 17 to 31 of NCERT exemplar. These questions are fill in the blank. Question number 17. An angle greater than 180 degree and less than a complete angle is called. We have learned different types of angles. There were 6 types of angle: acute, obtuse, straight, right, reflex, complete, and zero angle. Here the angle is greater than 180 degree and less than complete angle. This would look like this. It is greater than 180 degree. This is the angle. Greater than 180 but less than 360. So this particular angle is called as a reflex angle. Question 18. The number of diagonals in a hexagon is. We have learned a formula: n into n minus 3 upon 2 will give the number of diagonals. I'll represent with a small letter d. Since an hexagon has got 6 sides, 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2. So this becomes 3 times 3, which is 9. Therefore, the number of diagonals in hexagon is 9. A pair of opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. A quadrilateral in which only one pair of the opposite sides are parallel to each other are called as trapezium. Question 20. In figure 2.14, this is 2.14, points lying in the interior of the triangle PQRR dash that in the exterior are dash and that on the triangle itself are dash. Here observe very carefully. There are 2 points inside the triangle, that is point O and point S. There are 2 points outside the triangle, which is exterior to the triangle, that is point T and point N. If you observe the triangle, PQR is present as a vertices. Along with that, there is another point M, which is on the side QR. So totally there are 4 points on the circle. They are point P, point Q, point R, and also point M. So 4 points are on the on the triangle. 2 points are inside and the 2 points are to the exterior of the triangle. Question 21. In the figure 2.15, points A, B, C, D and E are collinear such that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE. Then first one, AD equal to AB plus AD is the length from A to D. This has got 3 parts here, AB, BC plus CD. So if AB is considered, the rest will be BD. So here it is BD. Second sub question is AD equal to AC plus. From A to C is considered. Remaining would be CD. Midpoint of AE is. If you observe, the length of AB plus BC is same as the length of CD plus DE. Therefore, the midpoint is C, because AC will be equal to CE. The midpoint of CE is D. The reason is the length of CD and the length of DE, they are equal. AE is equal to dash times AB. If you observe it very carefully, the length AE is got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So it is 4 times of one of the part, that is 4 times of AB. Look at question 22 in the figure 2.16. Angle AOD is a or an dash angle. Look at angle AOD. This angle AOD has got some parts here. It is 30 degree added to 20 degree added to 40 degree. Look at the sum. The sum is 90 degrees, hence it is forming a right angle. Angle COA. Look at angle COA. It has got two parts here, 20 degree added to 30 degree, which is 50 degree. So it forms an acute angle. Here it is a right angle. It's an acute angle. Angle AOE. Angle AOE is the sum of 40 degree plus 40 degree plus 20 degree plus 30 degree. Look at the sum. The sum is 130, 130 degree. It is larger than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Such type of an angle is called as an obtuse angle. So the right answer here is obtuse. Question number 23. The number of triangles in the figure 2.17 is. We need to identify the number of triangles, and we also are required to write their names. So it would be better if I write the names before writing the number of triangles. So I'll start. AOB is one of the triangle. So triangle AOB. AOC is another triangle AOC. Triangle COD. Triangle BOD. And observe, there is triangle ACB and another triangle is ACD. Triangle BAD and triangle BDC. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, total 8 triangles are present in this figure. In the same figure, we need to Answer the next question. Question 24. The number of angles less than 180 degree in the figure is, and name the angles. If you look at the angle ABO, it is less than 90 degree. Angle BAO is less than 90 degree. Angle AOB is less than 90 degree. Angle BOD less than 90 degree. COD. Angle ODC. Angle OCD. Angle OCA. Angle AOC. Angle BAC. Angle ACD. These angles are also less than 180 degree. Angle ABC is 90. Angle ACD looks like 90. Sorry, BDC is also 90. So likewise, if you count the number of angles here, these angles are 12 in number. Angle ABO, angle BAO, angle AOB, angle BOD, angle COD, angle ODC, angle OCD, angle OCA, angle AOC, angle BAC, and angle ACD. Angle BDC also. So all these angles are 12 and we have named the angles. The number of straight angles in the figure are, if you observe, this is a straight angle. If you consider the dotted ones, this is a straight angle. If you take 2 marks here, this is a straight angle. At the same time, we have this is 1, 2, 3. If you consider from here to here, let me change the color of the ink. This angle also is a straight angle. If I name those angles, it's angle AOD, angle not AOD, angle BOC, angle there are 2 angles which are having straight angle with respect to this and this. So the name would remain the same. So totally angle AOD and angle BOC, other side also it is there, so I can consider them as 4. So let me mention this as 4. The number of right angles in a straight angle is, there are 2 right angles in a straight angle, and that in the complete angle, the right angles which are present at the complete angle is 4. You can think over this particular question. We shall move on to the next one. Question number 27. The number of common points in the 2 angles marked in the figure 2.18. These are the angles marked. We need to identify the common points. So if you observe, there are two angles, angle PAQ and angle PDQ. There are 2 points in common, point P and point Q are common points. So the number of common points is 2. Question 28. The number of common points in the two angles marked in the figure 2.19 is, if you look at these two angles here, point A is common for both the angles. So the number of common points is 1, that is A. Question 29. The number of common points in the two angles marked in the figure 2.20. The angles are PEQ and another angle is QAR. If you observe very carefully, point P can be considered along with the angle PAR. So point P can be considered as a common angle. Same way, point R can be considered as a common angle and point Q is common. So there are 3 common. They are point P. If I consider the angle as PAR, this is same as angle PAR. Same way, this angle is same as angle REP. So R is common, P is common, and point Q is common. So point P, Q, R, they are common points. These are the common points. Question 30. The number of common points in the two angles marked in the figure 2.21 is, if I consider E, Q, P as one of the angle, B, A, C as another angle, there are points which are common. Those points are E will be common, D will be common, G will be common, and point F is common. If I consider the angle as BAC and one more angle as PQR, if I consider these two angles, these points will be in common, so the number of common points are 4. Question 31. The common part between the two angles BAC and DAB in the figure 2.22 is, the given angles are BAC and angle DAB. Here there is ray AB common, so the common part present is ray AB. And such type of an angle where there are two non-common arms are there and one common arm is present, they are called as adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. For adjacent angles, there will be the conditions required. It should have a common arm. And two non-common arms. present on either side of common arm. Suppose if I ask a question, if I draw this figure, can I say that I'll mention the angles here, ABCD, angle ACB, sorry, CAB, angle CAB and angle DAB, can I say that they are adjacent? These two angles, they are not adjacent. The reason is, though it is having a common arm, the non-common arms are not present. There is these two angles I marked. One of the angle I'll mark with the same ink, another angle I'll mark with a different ink. So there is a non-common arm, that is ray AD. This is only one non-common arm for both the angles. Therefore, they are not adjacent to each other. With this, I'll end today's session. We shall continue the discussion of solving the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.